So now we're going to look at creating a slightly more advanced version of the time series. So rather than just having the single predictor line, we're going to have a range of predictions. So 95%, so plus or minus 5% each side of the time series in the prediction line. So this is written in TACWL, and if you look in the analytics TACWL reference, there's a section on all the statements. This is specifically on time series, so not only do they have the syntax and the explanations, they have some coded examples, and you can use that code and modify it to your particular data and get results quickly. So this is what we're going to do, predict a range with 95% accuracy, and basically what I've done is taken this code and modified it for my data. So you can see the query running, and rather than just having the single column this time of the time series predicted future predictions of pricing, what we have is we have a high prediction and a low. So when we put this into the chart, what we're going to do is put it as a single axis. So now you can see we've got our actual pricing, then we move into our predictions. So again, we'll put that line in to make it really clear where actual turns to prediction. Then we're going to create a shaded area between the high and the low. And because we're using this shaded area to denote this predicted range, I'm just going to take the fill area out from under the chart because I think it's a little bit more distracting. So now if we put this version in, just going to take the legend off so they match up. And you can see as we're changing the data, they're both doing the same job right up until you just get to this area of uncertainty. So we're just going to save this dashboard as it is. We'll remove this time series now, as it's a bit redundant.